In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing emails in the drag and drop editor in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and then create an email. So head over right here into the marketing tab and you can find email right here. Just need to click onto that in order to see all of it. Once we're in there, you can see right here your email. You can head over and create the new one if you want. Click onto this create. You can choose between these options. In this case, let's just choose this regular for one-off sends, or you can use automated for workflows. I have chosen right here regular email, and you can choose right here your template that you wish to use, or you can also start from scratch. So on this case, let's choose right here this new product launch. Let's choose this template. So the drag and drop editor of HubSpot is actually really easy to use. You can see right here on your left sidebar, these things are modules that you can add. We have button, text, socials, HTML, and the likes. You just need to scroll wherever you want to add it. Like for example, let's add a button below on this image. Click onto this button, hold, and then drag it wherever you want to put it. For example, let's put it right here. And in just a few seconds, a button will be added. You can proceed to edit this button by adding URL, button text, as well as changing its style. You can also use right here other modules and change some things that you want change. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.